How to withdraw money from KUCOIN to bank transfer. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw money from KUCOIN to bank transfer or card. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you because I'm not verified, but I'll just be guiding you through so you'll get the basics. So you can simply open up KUCOIN, right? If you have a verified account, you want to simply go ahead. If you don't have, you'll have to verify your account as well. Make sure to get verified and make sure to add in your bank account here. Once you're verified, you'll get the option to add in your bank account, right, to deposit your money, to get funds in order to perform trading or to buy crypto or such. Now once you own the crypto and now you want to sell it, you can hover over to assets tab at the bottom, and then you'll get the option to sell your assets that you own. Right now I don't have any, so it's not showing up here, but you'll get it right here. Now once you get it here, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and you want to go ahead and sell it, and on the sale page you'll get the option there to choose, right, how much you want to sell and what you want to sell your asset and how much you want to sell, and then you'll get the option to see there what you'll receive. And now on receive with, you can choose to receive with your bank account or any card that you have added. So that is how you can withdraw money from KUCOIN to bank. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.